Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea ice cubes for your face. First, choose a tea known for skin benefits, like green tea or chamomile. These teas contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm and refresh your skin. This easy method is perfect for a quick, natural skincare boost. It's a simple addition to your routine that can make a noticeable difference. To begin, brew a strong cup of your chosen tea. Use about 2 tea bags for 1 cup of water to ensure a concentrated solution. Let the tea steep for 5 to 7 minutes, then remove the bags. It's crucial to let the tea cool down completely before moving to the next step. Never add sugar, honey, or milk, as these can irritate your skin. Once your tea is fully cooled, carefully pour it into a clean ice cube tray. Fill each compartment about 3/4 full to prevent overflow. Place the tray in the freezer and let it solidify for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. When ready to use, take 1 cube and gently rub it over your clean face for about 30 seconds, avoiding direct contact with your eyes. Incorporating tea ice cubes into your routine can offer several benefits. They help reduce inflammation, minimize the appearance of pores, and give your skin a refreshed glow. Remember to always wrap the ice cube in a thin cloth if your skin is sensitive. For more great deals and to grab that Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below. It's a simple, natural way to enhance your skincare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.